Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Audi SQ7. Took this car home last night and I was absolutely excited at the opportunity to do so. I've been wanting to try one of these for the longest time. This is the first time I ever even sat in one. Just look at this thing. So, take a look at here. Carbon fiber everywhere. Alcantara. 4-liter twin turbo V8 8-speed Tiptronic. All-wheel steering. All-wheel drive. This one has glacier white metallic, the black interior, driver's assistance pack, towing pack, the carbon vector inlays, the Audi Beam S-Beam, protection pack and wheel lock kit. This one is very, very nicely equipped. Absolutely. Oh, that's pretty cool. Slide that fore and aft. Wireless charging. All right, let's go for a drive. So, you might know this is the same motor that's found in the Urus, just slightly detuned. Obviously, if you're into modifying and tunes, if they detuned it, it's really easy to tune it and get all that power back. It is absolutely insane. With an even 500 horsepower, it does feel like a whole lot more than that. This thing is just absolutely insane. I almost wish I filmed this at night because the interior ambient lighting is insane. The puddle lights on all 4 doors look absolutely nuts. One thing that's amazed me with driving this, and I definitely think it's down to that all-wheel steering, is how capable this thing is in the handling department. A 3-row SUV has no right to handle as good, if not better, than most sports cars. And this thing does. This thing absolutely loves back roads. It is absolutely insane how good this car is, and it has no right to be anywhere close to what this thing is. I mean, most SUVs taking these corners at 30, 40 mile an hour, you feel like you're getting close to their limits. This does not. You know, you feel as if you could easily take those at 60 or 70. It is absolutely impressive in every way. Whoopsies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.